Good morning, student. As you know, your running chapter is coordinate geometry. We already discussed in previous class exercise 7.2, question number 7. Now, today we discuss here exercise 7.2, question number 8. Question number 8 here is given that if A and B are, यहाँ पे कह रहा है कि A और B जिसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स दे रहे हैं -2 एंड 2 -4 रिस्पेक्टिवली, फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ P such that AP is equal to 3/7 half AB and P lies on the line segment AB. तो यहाँ पे कह रहा है कि एक लाइन सेगमेंट दे रहा है. Here is given the line segment AB. Here is the line segment AB. AB line segment यहाँ पे given है, clear? And P, find the coordinates of P. Respectively, find the coordinate. P is lies in this segment. P इसी point पे lies कर रहा है, ठीक है? Line segment पे point P is lies here, clear? तो here is given the coordinates of A and B, -2, 2, -2, and B's coordinates here given 2, -4, clear? And what find here? Find the coordinates of P. तो P की coordinates हमें find करना है, तो P की coordinates को हम क्या ले लिया? X और Y, clear? The coordinates of the P here we get here, let here X and Y, clear? And already given here, here is given AP is equal to 3/7 of AB, clear? तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या कह रहा है? This one is M1, clear? And M2 मान लो. This one is clear? तो now look the solution of this question here. AP is equal to 3/7 of AB. So this one is right. AP upon AB is equal to 3/7. Clear? This can write. इसको this one is multiplicate, go side that side in division. So there is ratio 3/7. AP ratio AB क्या होगा? 3/7. Clear? Now here is given that. So this one is right. AB upon AP. AB upon AP, so 7/3. AB upon AP, this one is right. 7/3. Now find. Look that here. AB minus AP. AB upon AP -1, clear, is equal to 7/3 -1. अगर हम माइनस कर रहे हैं तो what we get here, what find here? Here is the AB minus AP upon AP. So this one is right here. Here is LCM 3, 7 minus 3. Clear? So what we get here? हमें क्या मिलेगा? Now look here. AB minus AP. Look here. AB minus AP. तो हमें क्या मिला? AB में से AP माइनस कर देंगे तो हमें क्या मिल रहा है? BP या PB, क्लियर? AB माइनस AP, AB में से हम AP को कट कर रहे हैं तो we get here PB. PB is equal to what we get here? PB by this one here, PB by AP, we get here 4/3. We get here 4/3. Clear? So AP, so this one is right now AP upon PB, AP upon PB, this one is right 3/4. Clear? AP upon PB is equal to 3/4. तो AP by BP, तो हमारा M1 upon M2 रेशियो क्या हो जाएगा? So this one is right, M1 upon M2 is equal to 3/4. M1 upon M2 is equal to 3/4. This portion is clear. AP is upon BP is equal to 3/4 और AP और BP क्या है? M1 M2 रेशियो में डिवाइड है, तो M1 upon M2 is equal to 3/4. Now let's see here. अब आगे देखते हैं हम. Now let's see. Let the coordinates of P, हमने coordinates P की coordinates क्या माने? हमें रेशियो मिल गया 3/4, तो हमने P की coordinates क्या माने? Let the coordinates of P here is x, y. Clear? Let the coordinates of the P here is x, y. So what we get here? Coordinates of M1, this one is M1, M2, this one also right, this one M and N. Clear? So this one is used here. Find x. So x is equal to x coordinates here. What we write here? M into what, right? M into, so M here is given that M1 is given here 3 and M2 is given that 4. So M3 into x2, this one is x2 plus M2 4 into x1. So x1 is given here -2. Clear? Upon M1 plus M2, the M1 plus M2, 3 and 3 plus 4. This portion is clear. Now solve this one. What we get? 3 2 is 6 minus 8 by 7. So what we get? -2/7. The x here -2/7. X coordinates here -2/7. Clear? Find similar y, and y is coordinates same here. M, this one right also, M1 into y2 plus M2 into y1 upon M1 plus M2. This one right. So right here आप क्या लिख सकते हो? M1 here is given 3 and y2 given here -4 plus M2 here is given 4 and y1 given here -2 upon 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, M1, M2. So this one here right, -3 minus 4 into 3. We get here -12. And here is the positive sign. And here in negative, positive, negative. 4 2s are 8 by 7. both portion is negative, so this one is a negative sum, 20/7. What I find here? Y is here minus 20/7. What get is the answer? So the coordinates of the P, right here the answer. Coordinates of the P point P, this one x is minus 2/7 and y we get here minus 20/7. It's your answer. This one your answer. Clear? Now see the question number 9 here. Question number 9 is given that. Now student, question number 9. Find the coordinates of the point. Find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment. Clear? Joining A. A's coordinates here given as minus 2. Coordinates is given that minus 2, 2, and B's coordinates here is given that 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. कहने का मतलब कह रहा है कि एक लाइन सेगमेंट है. Let here this line segment. Line segment AB. Here is how many parts? Into 4 equal parts. Divide into 4 equal parts. Let here C, D and E. 4 equal parts. Divide into 4 equal parts. Clear? A, B is a line segment and 3 points here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts में इसको क्या किया गया? Divide किया गया. Line segment joining AB and BC into 4 equal parts. और जो 4 equal parts हैं, इसके हमें क्या निकालने हैं? Coordinates. Clear? तो first we here discuss here. Let C मान लेते हैं यहाँ पे solution here. Let C's coordinates x, y. मान लेते हैं C के जो coordinates हैं क्या है? x, y. Clear? And D's coordinates, this point is D, x1, y1. और D के जो coordinates हम ले रहे हैं x1, y1. Clear? And E's coordinates और E की coordinate हम क्या ले रहे हैं? x2, y2. E की coordinates हम क्या ले रहे हैं? x2, y2. Clear? Be the points okay, divides the line segments into 4 equal parts. Divide into 4 equal parts. Clear? अब इसमें हम conditions लेंगे. अगर हम first condition लेते हैं, first condition हम क्या लेते हैं? ठीक, when C क्या लेते हैं? When C means x, y. Their coordinates x, y is a point on AB. This is the point on AB. जब AB पे मिलेगा तो then divide this. Then divides AB into what is the ratio? So here is the ratio AB in the ratio 1:3. This is the first part and here is the 3 part. 1, 2, 3. So 1 and 3. So divided ratio 1:3. Clear? 1:3. So the coordinates of C, हमें क्या निकालना है? Coordinates of, so the coordinates of C. So coordinates of the C, and A is here. A's coordinates here given that -2, 2, and B's coordinates 2, 8. This one here is given. Clear? Now, for the point C, rest portion is non-neglect here. तो for the point C, किस पॉइंट के लिए हम? C पॉइंट्स के लिए कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड करेंगे, और जो इनका रेशियो हो रहा है 1:3 हो रहा है. क्लियर? जो M1 और N और M का जो रेशियो दे रहा है वो 1:3. क्लियर? तो फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ दिस वन हियर. X is equal to, what we find here? X is equal to M x2 and x1 M plus N, this one, right? And for the Y, M y2 plus N y1 upon M plus N. This can. Now put the value. Look, AB and C. Find the X and Y's coordinates. So here, look that here, M is equal to 1. M1 and x2. Here is 2 plus N is here 3 and x1 here is -2 upon 1 plus 3. Clear? Similar, Y is equal to here, M is equal to here 1 and Y2 here is given that 8 plus N is given here 3 and Y1 here is given that 2. 1 plus 3. This portion is clear. Now find here X is equal to here, X is equal to here 2 minus 6 by 4 and Y is equal to what we get here, 8 plus 6 by 4. Clear? Now we will get here X is equal to minus, that is the greatest, so sign here is a -4 by 4 and Y is here given that 8 plus 6, 14 by 4. Clear? So this one is the cancel 1. The X is equal to -1 and Y is equal to, this one is right, 2, 7, 7 by 2. Clear? The coordinates of C is here. Coordinates of C. C की coordinates क्या होंगे? X -1 and Y ordinate is 7 by 2. This one. Clear? Now let here see the second part. Find the coordinates point D. Clear? Point D. Right here. When D x1 y1, clear, x1 y1, clear, is a point on point on AB. Clear? Point on AB, then its divide AB in the ratio of अब देखिए this one D point, the D points is 2 2, ratio here 2 ratio 2, ठीक, M और N जो है M N here 2 ratio 2, clear, 2 ratio 2. तो D is the midpoint of, so D is the midpoint of AB. तो यहाँ पे ये कह सकते हैं ratio of AB is the in the ratio of 2 ratio 2. So we say that D is the midpoint of line segment AB. D क्या होगा? line segment of AB. तो so the coordinates of D, so the coordinates of the D here coordinates of the D is equal to midpoint, or midpoint formula we use here. So midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. So midpoint formula use here x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Clear? So here is x1 is given that x1 here is given that minus 2 and x2 here is given that 2 by 2, y1 here is given that 2, y2 here is given that 8 by 2. So we get here 0 and this one is 10 by 2. So this one is right 0 5. 2 5 are 10, 0 5. So D's coordinates are 0 5. So D's coordinates 0 5. Clear? Now we discuss here coordinates of the point E. Coordinates of the point E. Look here. This one also change. Let's hear the coordinates of the E. So this one is 3:1. This part is the 3 and this part is 1. So M is 3, M is equal to here 1. Here. So now look here. Point E and their coordinates here x2, coordinates here x2 y2. x2 y2 divides line segment In which ratio? 3:1. In the ratio 3:1. Clear? So the coordinates of E. So here is the find the coordinates of E. So we proved here x. Here is x2 is equal to, this one is right here. What right here? m into x2, right here, m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n, and this, and here y is 2 is here, m y2 plus n y1 m plus n. Clear? Now here is given that m is here 3 and x2 here is given that 2 plus n is 1 and x1 is here given that minus 2 by 3 plus 1. Clear? And for y2 here m is 3 and y2 here is 8 plus n is 1 and y1 here is 2 by 3 plus 1. Clear? Now here 3 2 is 6 minus 2 by 4 x2, and here is a y2, this one 24 plus 2 by 4. So what we get here, x2 minus 4 by 4, x2 is 1, and now this one is y2 is equal to 26 by 4. (13 by 2) divide as 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 13 2s are 26 होता है this one. So y2 x1 is here, x2 is there 1 and y2 here 13 by 2. This one is the 13 by 2. Clear? The coordinates of E here, x2 is given 1 and y2 here given that 13 by 2. Clear? 1 and 13 by 2. This one your solution of question number 9. Yeah? Complete here. Now see the question number 10. Everyone here. Now your question number 10 here. Find the area of rhombus. Find the area of rhombus if its vertices are 3 0, 4 5, minus 1 4, minus 2, minus 1 taken in the order. Clear? यहाँ हम कह रहे हैं कि rhombus है. Find area के हमें क्या find करना है? Area of the rhombus. Clear? So look here the solution of this problem. Now here is given that first we draw, here is the figure of the rhombus here. Clear? The figure of the rhombus, you know that, just like a square, but all angles are not 90 degree. Clear? Yeah, this one is a rhombus, and in order means this one is an A, B, C and D. Clear? In the order. Clear? A, B, C is a rhombus. एंड जहां पे इसके whose vertices जो vertex दे रहे हैं A, B, C and D and their coordinates also given here 3, 0, 4, 5 and C is here -1, 4 and D is here -2, -1. Their coordinates are given here. Their vertex coordinates are given here. Clear? And put here the diagonals of here. Here is the diagonal. Diagonals is given here. Is the AC and second diagonal here is given that BD. AC and BD is two diagonals. Clear? So first we look here the ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Yeah, and whose vertices are A 3, 0, B 4, 5, C -1, 4 and D here -2, -1. Clear? Find AC. First we find the AC. So we know that the area of rhombus is equal to half into product of two diagonals. Half into product of two diagonal D1 D2. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमारे पास डायगोनल इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं हाफ D1 इंटू D2. डायगोनल D1 second first diagonal and diagonal D2. So first we find the diagonals of AC and BD. तो AC और BD हमको निकालने के लिए क्या चाहिए? AC के बीच के में डिस्टेंस चाहिए. हम यहाँ पे यूज क्या करेंगे? डिस्टेंस फार्मूला. We use here the distance formula. Look here. We use here the distance formula. Clear? So distance formula, find the AC. So AC. So distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. ये होता है difference of abscissas square and difference of ordinates square. Now here put that here, find x2. This one is x1 and this one is a x2. X2 here is -1 and x1 here is given that -3 whole square plus y2. Y2 here is given that 4 and y1 here is given that 0 whole square. So what we get here? -3 -1 -4 whole square plus 4 whole square. Clear? So what we get here? Now look here. What we find here? Under root 16 plus 16 we get here 32. Here 32. So this one is right. What can I write this? 16 into 2 और 16 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 16 का स्क्वायर रूट 4 under root 2. AC we get here 4 under root 2. AC को जो हमें मिल गया, this one is 4 under root 2. Now find diagonal BD. Find here diagonal BD. So BD is equal to, same identities use here, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now look here, BD, this one is x, y1, x2, y2. So x2 here is given that minus 2 and x1 here is given that minus 4 whole square plus y2 here is given that minus 1 and y1 here is given that minus 5 whole square. So what we get here, minus, both are minus, so minus 6 whole square and this one is a minus 6 whole square. So what we get here, 36 plus 36. So we get here 72. 36 plus 36 we get here 72 and 72 right here 36 into 2. So this one is a 6 root 2. We find BD. तो BD हमें क्या मिल गया? BD की जो डिस्टेंस हमें मिली वो क्या है? 6 under root 2. Clear? तो area of rhombus, we already written this formula of area of rhombus here. Look at area of the rhombus. Area of rhombus. So area of rhombus. Area of rhombus is equal to, we write here 1 by 2 d1 into d2. So we get here 1 by 2, d1 here is 4 root 2 and d2 here is root 6 root 2. Clear? So this 2 times and 6 2 is 12 under root 4. Under root 4 की value 2. So 12 into 2 will get here 24. 24 square unit. Square unit. Clear? This one is your. Now your next point here in the comment section, coming board in this year, area of triangle. Area of the triangle of area of triangle, we know that 1 by 2 base into height, half into base into altitude या height we लेट here. तो ये जो portion है area of the triangle, area of triangle 1 by 2 base into altitude या height. This portion now इस सेक्शन में इस साल जो है एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल को पूरी तरह से हटा दिया गया है. तो आपकी जो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल से रिलेटेड जो एनसीईआरटी के एग्जांपल्स हैं, एग्जांपल नंबर आप देखेंगे, आपके एग्जांपल नंबर एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल्स, ये पोर्शन आपका कंप्लीटली हटा दिया गया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, एग्जांपल नंबर 11, एग्जांपल नंबर 12, एग्जांपल नंबर 13, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 14 और 15 और एक्सरसाइज 7.3 कंप्लीटली क्या कर दी गई है, आपके सिलेबस से हटा दी गई है. जो 30% जो सिलेबस कम हुआ उसके अकॉर्डिंग इसको हटा दिया गया. और जो ऑप्शनल क्वेश्चंस, ऑप्शनल एक्सरसाइज है आपकी, ऑप्शनल एक्सरसाइज 7.4 के इसमें से क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, 6 और 7 को हटा दिया गया है. संभावना सिर्फ किसकी है, 1, 2, 3 एंड 4. क्लियर? तो आज के वीडियो में हम 7.2 हमारा कंप्लीट हो गया. 7.3 ऑलरेडी डिडक्ट कर दिया गया है, हटा दिया गया है. अब हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में ऑप्शनल क्वेश्चंस पढ़ेंगे 7.4 की क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ। क्लियर? 5, 6 और 7 इसके भी ये क्वेश्चंस हटा दिए गए हैं। क्लियर? जो आपके बोर्ड के एग्जाम में नहीं आने वाले हैं। क्लियर?